Now let me burst your bubbles. Do you know that it is abnormal for a pregnancy to be more than one baby? The normal thing is one baby at a time. Anything from 2 babies and above is an abnormal occurrence. Now this is because multiple pregnancies come with a lot of risks, and the risks increase as the number of babies are increasing. So this is why a twin pregnancy can last longer than a triplet pregnancy, and so on. Also, a twin mom have better chances of having a vaginal birth compared to a triplet mom, and so on and so forth. This is because of the positions of the babies. If a vaginal birth is attempted, a triplet pregnancy, the first baby can come out vaginally, especially if this baby have a cephalic presentation and the position is favorable. But that delivery might, at the end of the day, it will still end up in a cesarean section for the second and the third babies to come out because of their position and because of the manipulations that will be involved. Can triplets be born vaginally? Yes, but it is very rare and very complex. And mind you, triplets are born before 37 weeks. So they're already coming as preterm. They have higher chances of having respiratory issues, low birth weight. They can have cord accidents, higher chances of morbidity and mortality for the second and third babies. It is very complex and difficult to monitor the heart rates of 3 babies at once successfully and the way you should. Moreover, the mom is already exposed to things like preeclampsia, gestational diabetes, postpartum hemorrhage, placental abruption. Once the first baby is born, abruption can occur since we still have 2 babies inside. And the worst of it all is that the manipulations that will be involved trying to turn these babies to put them in a better position, 3 of them, at the end of the day, you can end up damaging the pelvic floor. You can give the woman serious injury. Medical practitioners that know their onions will not advise you or allow you to try that. There is no need. So when I saw this thing, it kind of threw me off, because I've noticed that majority of the women, among Nigerian women, they have this thing about exaggeration when it comes to their birthing experience. I don't know why they do that, but it is not necessary. You can share your testimony without lying. And when I checked this account, it was not even a real account. This person just they gather pictures of babies, just they post. But I had to speak on it because I know that the naive ones will still fall for it. There is no midwife or doctor anywhere that know what they're doing, that will see you are carrying triplets, and they will ask you to open leg and start pushing. So today, stop trying to deceive the new moms, the ones who never married, the ones who never born. They go see una, they hail una. Since yesterday now, we've been on the matter of people that have been claiming they pushed out 6 kg. One even said 10 kg, 8 kg. And the naive ones were all over the place applauding them, congratulating them. Some were even tapping. You are tapping from their blessing. What are you tapping? Where will it come out from? And they are claiming, no, they didn't even have any tear. They didn't receive any episiotomy. When I saw the people saying it is possible, what made it funnier is that they don't even know that at this point, the problem is not whether you have a tear or you receive an episiotomy. No. It is not even your vagina or your cervix that we will be worried about. It is your pelvis, your bones. Push. Your pubic symphysis are wapu. Okay, you don't know that your pelvis have diameters, abi? Your knowledge no reach that side. Somebody said, yeah, it's the advantages of having a wide pekus. Na kokwano rubbish. You think it is by you know that place can stretch. So you think it can stretch and a 8 kg, 10 kg baby will pass through. Most of these mothers na goof. That is why all over the antenatal and immunization clinics, you are there looking for who to intimidate. What did your baby weigh? Why I say 2.5 kg, 3 kg, 3.5 kg innocently. This your baby is too small though. My baby was 8 kg. Do you know why? Una was last year. There is no award for who suffer pass. Now this una lie, they make all these mumu men. When you are telling them about a cesarean section to save their wives or their babies, you see them shaking head up and down, telling you women who undergo cesarean sections that they are lazy because you people are painting false pictures for them. They will not use you people as example. You know, see say person push 10 kg, 8 kg, 6 kg. Have you seen a 6 kg baby before? This one now that is posting, I pushed out my 3 boys. You want to lose both mother and babies? What kind of elastic do you think God puts there that it can stretch? And who will want to do this kind of manipulations? Do you want to rupture the uterus? I don't want to get that.